Good evening, it's me, Leo, or Dr. Penguin. I am in a car. Why? Explosion sound effect! Before I get into the real stuff, I just want to say I have TikTok now, at Dr.Penguin. If you have TikTok, go follow it. If you don't have TikTok, go tell someone who has TikTok to go follow it. And if you do have TikTok, please also go tell other people who have TikTok to go follow it. Alright, I'm taking a bit of a break from acapella stuff for a couple weeks. I know that's disappointing to some people, because people really like my acapella stuff, and I really like my acapella stuff too. But I am working on some other projects at the moment. So stick around, and in probably 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 weeks, I'll start uploading acapella stuff again, because I love it, and you love it, and we all love it. So, yes. Thus concludes the vlog. This is a vlog? What do you say, Nathaniel? Yeah, you say it's a vlog? Alright.